Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy again. So I'm making this video as a follow-up to my previous video regarding the SPC upper control arm ball joint. So anyway, I contacted SPC, emailed them, called them, and they said, well, you know what, the ball joint that I measured is the same ball joint, or the specs are the same ball joint measurement that they have. And so they asked me to measure the inside diameter of this hole right here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get in touch with them and see what they say. The guy that I have been communicating through via email, his name is Tom, and he works for SPC. And so according to his email, he's on vacation today. So we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and measure this, okay? I have my little notepad here, and I have my handy dandy pin. Okay, so let's do this live. Oh no, not live, but uncut. Alright, so we're going to measure this. Okay, it's measured very well. And then lock this bad boy. Hold on, so that won't move again. Okay. Alright, so take it out. Alright, I don't think it moved. Alright, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way so you can see how I read this thing, this bad boy here. Alright. Alright, so here it is being read at, let's see, 1.7. Okay, 1.700. Okay, so it's being read at 1.700. Okay, and so he asked me to measure it this way, and he asked me to measure it that way. So let's go measure this way. Okay. Okay, and let's see. Okay. So it's 1.702. Okay, so 1.702. This is the hole. Okay, so I'm going to put passenger side P 1.700, 1.702. That's the measurement on this side. Okay, so let's go to the other side. Okay, here I'm just doing this so that you see that I am not editing this video for my gain. Alright, so this one right here. So let's measure this bad boy. Alright, so it is being measured at 1.700 as well. Okay, 1.700. Driver's side 1.700. Alright, so let's go this route. It's 1.701. Okay, so 1.701. So it's about 1.70 to 1.702. Okay, these are my specs. And let's go remeasure the ball joint and remeasure the OEM ball joint, and also remeasured the SPC adapter plate ball joint, or however you call it. Okay, so I am here at my workstation. Look at here. Okay, this is the passenger side, driver's side measurement of the spindle. Okay, so let's measure the OEM ball joint. This is the exact one that I used to measure. Okay, and so the OEM ball joint reads Okay. Alright, it reads 1.706. Okay, 1.706. I'll put BJ. You're not thinking what I'm thinking. 1.706. And then let's turn it this way. And it's a little bit over 1.706. And so it's 1.706. Okay. SPC. Okay, let's see. The SPC is really tiny. It's you know, this is why they say size matters. Okay, so it's 1.701. Okay, 1.701 right here. Okay, SPC, first ball joint, 1.701. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, so 1.701, turn 180 degrees, 1.701. Okay, alright, so again, okay, this is 1.700. Okay, turn it this way, 1.700. Okay, so you can see here. Alright, so we have this SPC here goes right into the passenger side, and it just fits. So, you know, it's not tight, it just slides in there. 1.701, that's the other side, and it just fits 1.701. And so so that's the problem that I have, guys. See, the BJ here, get that thought out of your head. The BJ here, it's 1.706, so that is the 5,000th of an inch bigger than the SPC here. And this is what I remeasured. So I'm gonna call SPC and see what they say. Okay. Okay, so I just got off the phone with SPC, and they said that there's nothing they can do about this. I told them that this is an aftermarket upper control, an aftermarket spindle. It's a Tough Country lift kit, and they said that they base this on the factory market, the OEM specification of the Toyota spindle. And according to them, they don't have any issues with folks who have Toyota spindles. So I asked them if they can make me one that is a tad bigger. Maybe if I buy 5 to 6,000th of an inch, and they said no. So guys, that's what I'm stuck with.